everybody, welcome to my channel. I will welcome you with all my heart. So this is Kathy and I'll be doing my introduction video today just because I haven't done that yet, and this is gonna be like my third video or something like that. Okay, so I'm Kathy, I'm 24 years old and I recently moved from Tokyo to this place where the Seiko Mart is. I know many of you are thinking, what is Seiko Mart? Okay, so Seiko Mart is one of the convenience stores in Japan, which only is in Hokkaido. So I'll just show you some of the stuff I got from Seiko Mart today, and yeah, that's gonna be my video for today. So let me start with drink called Garana Seiko Mart. And yeah, I'll try this. Okay. It kind of looks like Coke. Let's see how it tastes like. It's like energy drink and Coke mixed together. I don't know if I like it. Next, chocolate mint ice bar. Well, this is summertime, so why not? Okay, let's have a taste. Excited. It's pretty minty. Yum. Okay, finishing this. It's just gonna be a really long video, so I'm just gonna finish eating this and I'll come back. Okay, I finished eating the ice cream. It was pretty good. And the next thing is yomogi manju. I love this thing. Okay. I'll cut in half. Ooh, a lot of sweet beans. Let's have a bite real quick. It is not matcha. I don't know how I describe yomogi, but this is one of my favorite things. That was pretty good. It kind of tastes like medicine to me. The last thing I got from Seiko Mart today is Hokkaido butter cookie, which I'm pretty excited about. I love cookies. Oh, smells amazing. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. Okay, let's have a bite. I'll have it with a one bite. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. This is great. I'm not gonna finish this one. I'll save it for later. This is really good. Mmm. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end. I had a lot of food. I'm so full now. Anyways, just message me or comment in below what you want me to do, so I can take more videos. I'll probably do more of kind of videos like today, like sharing what I can get at Japanese supermarkets or convenience stores. But just if you guys have any ideas or anything you want me to do, just tell me, please. Thank you guys so much again, and hope you guys have a good day or good night. See you next time.